Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. In this lesson, I'm going to discuss about use of Microsoft insert option. So how we'll use insert option in our Microsoft Word. So as we have started a Microsoft Word tutorial series in English, so this is its lesson 5 and part 1. So if you're new to our channel, you can watch our previous video that link are given in description also. So let's start. And if you're a civil engineer, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also like our video, share our video. So I'll just open a file. Now from here, this is home tab, and in a previous video I have shown you that how we'll use that home tab, and here everything I have shown you. Okay, so in this lecture I am just going to show that how we'll use that full insert tab. Now first of all, I'll show you about that cover page. Okay, so what is cover page? Actually, suppose you are writing a book or you are writing a journal or anything you are doing here, so you need a cover page. So they have some ready-made cover page, okay, here available, some ready-made cover page that are already created, and also you can get more from Microsoft Office.com. okay, so from online you can also get many more. Suppose I just want a cover page like so suppose like that I want to cover page. This is my cover page. See if I zoom out here actually, so just see here. Sorry. So just see here, this is my cover page. So you can change that picture also. You can give here document title, there's the document subtitle. After that, here is the abstract. You can change it your abstract here. Then you can give your name here actually, okay, the writer name or author name, the course title. You can also give your course like that. Actually you can use that ready-made cover page. Okay, so it's done. Now suppose here, and now you want to give a page break here. So for that, just you have to click here page break. Now see that your page have moved in next, and a new page come to previous. So just if we mind backspace to remove that. Suppose from here, from here actually now after that from here you will be able to write. Okay. So again go here insert. Now suppose here you need table. Okay, here you need table. So how will use that? So to insert table, just click here table, and in which direction, how number of column and how number of row are required, just you can give it here. Now suppose your required or limited table are not available here, so for that you can go here draw table. You can draw table manually, or otherwise you can go here insert table, and from here you can give the value here, number of columns and number of rows. Okay, so in that way actually you can draw, and also you can draw table. So from to draw, just click here draw table, and from here just click here like that. Then okay, then just click here again, Ctrl Z, again click here, and also just like that you can draw your table, and also escape to remove your command. And from here also if you take mouse, you'll see a plus. Just you can also increase your row size like that. So again okay, now also click here draw table, and from here you can draw the line. Just come here and press your left mouse and move downward, so like that way, so like that. Okay, so escape again. So suppose now here double click here. Okay, double click, and from here you will be able to change your table format here. From here which types of format you want to take. So from here you can also take your table format here. Okay, so they have also, you can clear and new table format style. So from here you can take your table format from here actually. So they have many table format actually here available. So from here you can take your table format. Now again I'll go insert. So in this way you can do it. Now now suppose you want to insert picture. So to insert picture, just click here picture and go to your file, and from here suppose I want to insert that picture. So just like that. So here is your picture. Now suppose you want to move your picture in any direction. So to move your picture, just when you will just press your left mouse and try to move, it will not move actually. So to move your picture, just click on your picture, and then here you will find that option. Just click here and they have more option. Okay, so square, then tight. So I'll always use tight, and from here you can move that picture in any direction. Okay, anywhere actually you can move your picture in anywhere in any direction like that. Okay, so in that way you can download, you can insert your picture here for your any purpose of work. So again I will go in next page. I'll go here insert. So after that here they have another option, shape. Okay, so suppose you want to insert any kinds of shape from here. Okay, so just click here and press your mouse left click your mouse and insert that. So here also you can move it like that. So in this way you can drop any any formats, from here any shape. Okay, so suppose you want to record the rounded rectangle. So just click here, left click and move your mouse. So and press your mouse, release your mouse, then see that. So in this way you can just do it. So it's done. Then I'll go again in new page, press enter. So here is a new page, and I'll go insert. So after that here is a smart art. What is the smart art actually? Suppose you want to create a flow diagram or anything, then how will use? Just here they have many flow diagram actually. Okay, according to requirement you can use any of it. Here is the flow diagram. So suppose the list, from the list diagram, this is the process with the circle. Here they have many flow diagram available here, and also you can find more from the office.com. okay, from office.com you can get more diagram. So suppose here wall, just if you click here, suppose you need to the types of flow diagram. Okay, just click here and press OK. Just see here, here is a flow diagram, and also you can give here text. Just see here, here it is. After that you can also give here text. Okay, just like that way. Also you can double click here, and also you can write it here, anything, write it here, write it here. So this is one kinds of flow diagram. Okay, so from that level to that level to that, here, and also double click here, and also you can change that flow diagram. Just see that here, from here you can also change it like that way. Just see here, and here. Okay, just see here, you can change your flow diagram like that way. Okay, there are also sub style. How can you modify that? Okay, so from here you can also use your sub style, and they have many more. Okay, from here just see here, there is a sub style. So I'll go again, I'll close that, and here, from here actually I'll go about insert. Now here, so after that here they have another option, hyperlink. Okay, links. So how will actually create links actually? Suppose you need a link. Okay, you need a link. So how will use that? Just click here link, and there the existing file or web page. There page in title, then here create new document, then here an email address. So like that, just first of all I'll go here, and also they have some option. Suppose they have a existing file. Now I want to use any file. Suppose I want to open that file ext. Okay, I want to give here, or I want to create that file ext, then press OK, and from here actually it's also okay. So also you can give her name here. Your display name will be like that, and also your file will be like that. So just press OK. Now see here, this is your display name. Just press Ctrl and click sorry, right click, select and delete that. Just click here hyperlink, and you have to just select that, and after that this is the address line will be same actually, and you'll be able to change your text to display. Okay, ASD. Okay, I'm giving that name actually. Just press OK. See, this is ASD. Okay, just press your Ctrl and click here. Just see here, this is your file. Here it will open here directly. And also you can use hyperlink here. Just click here hyperlink, and also right clicking there, and also you can give here your address. What will be your address? You can give your any email address. Suppose yt.com/School of Civil Engineering. School of Civil Engineering. Then display name will be YouTube channel. Then press OK. Just see here, this is your YouTube channel. Just left click, press Ctrl and click here. Specified, sorry. If I go here, remove the hyperlink. What is the problem here actually? So if I come here, hyperlink, address, and from here one page, heading, bookmarks, top. So from here actually suppose you can also find out any link from here actually. So from here I will not use that. So just you can give your link here actually, and here you can give your name. After that you can go there, and browser, and here also you can use your browser page, and also the recent page. Okay, also you can add your email address here. Just email address here, email address, then subject, then recently used email address here, and here give your text to display. Then it will work here like that way. So here is actually a link option, that how we can use that link option. So in our next video I'll show that how we'll use the header and footer, then how we'll use our that text box. Okay, how we'll use the symbol. Okay, and till then still stay connected. And also if you think that is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also like our video, share our video, and don't forget to leave a comment. So thank you very much.